Well, Eden, we've learned a lot about Piet Mondrian and how he used lines and the primary colors. I thought we would do another picture like he does, but we would do something a little different. So I cut out these shapes. I know you like sharks, so
Yes,
I cut out a
ma'am.
shark for you, and I cut out a pig for me. Can you see those? There we go. And we're going to use this like a stencil. So I want you to put it on your paper, and you can either trace it in Sharpie or you can trace it in pencil. Which one do you think you want to do?
Whatever you.
Why don't we trace it in pencil first? That way if we mess up we can erase, and then we'll go back over it in Sharpie.
Okay.
Is that a deal? So just take your time and trace. There you go. Good. Now stop a minute. Stop a minute. My bad. Go ahead. Good. All right, so now we'll take our stencils and we'll put them aside, and we'll trace them in our Sharpie. And the great thing about this is you don't have to show a lot of detail, and you can pick anything you want to. Like, I know you like sharks. You could do a dog, you could do a cat, you could do an owl, you could do a horse, you could do anything you want to with it. That's what's so cool. It's just whatever you want to do. So let's pick up our Sharpie and let's trace them. Just take your time, go nice and slow. Nice. And I wouldn't worry about that in the future because we can always erase the line, you know? Erase the pencil mark. There you go. Nice and easy now. Nice and easy. Good. All right. Now we're going to use our handy dandy rulers, and we're going to put 3 lines on our silhouette, wherever you want to do them. But we want to make them go this way. Which way was this again?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. So wherever you want to put them, you can put them up top, down low, wherever. We're going to do 3 lines with our pencil. So now you know what to do, right? We're using our primary colors, and we're going to color in the blocks, not crossing over any pencil marks. And we can also leave some white or color some in black too, okay?